Welcome to the EFAFLEX Sales Academy. My name is Rebecca Hofstetter. Next generation high-speed doors, the latest innovation from EFAFLEX. My colleague Klaus Mahnlich already introduced you to the basic structure and standard version of the next generation high-speed doors in our last tutorial. Customizing is our topic today. We would like to show you the wide range of customization available to adapt the doors to a wide variety of needs and applications or to fulfill special requests. Have fun!
Thank you, Rebecca. As we saw in our last tutorial, the next generation includes 4 types of door in 3 variants: Premium, Eco and Basic, all based on one concept. Each door can be individually configured and designed using the modular principle, so that there are a total of 12 different doors with 14 different surface designs for a wide variety of needs and applications. But there are also a lot of individualization and customizing options with which the doors can be adapted to a wide variety of needs and specialist applications. I would now like to go into these additional options in more detail. In the Premium and Eco versions, we offer various equipment packages that have already been individually tailored to the needs of specific applications. There are currently 4 different packages which can be selected. These are a cooling package, a process package, and 2 security packages, Security 1 and Security 2. First, I would like to introduce you to the cold package. This package includes the equipment for use in environments with temperatures in the range of -1 Celsius to -25 Celsius on both sides of the door, as we typically find it in deep freeze applications, for example in cold stores. Such special applications can be found outside the food industry, in pharmaceutical warehouses, in the automotive industry, or for example in electronics for low temperature functional testing. With a cold package, all door leaf variants are possible and vision panels can also be inserted. The vision panels are then made of polycarbonate, as these are impact resistant and do not break even at negative temperatures. The package includes the EFAFLEX Professional Door Controller in a 600 by 600 mm steel control cabinet with control box heating, motor heating, special cold-resistant oils and greases, and a cold-resistant tooth belt which is designed for negative temperatures. Optionally, an external high-performance light barrier could be used as additional protection or as opening impulse generator. This is particularly useful if ice formation on the door due to condensation is to be expected. The process package is intended for connecting the door to a higher level control system. This is particularly useful when there are special requirements according to the machinery directive and a certain safety level must be achieved. But even without special requirements of the machinery directive, the process package is useful for linking the door to a conveyor system, for example. The package includes a safe limit switch of category 4 according to DIN ISO 13849-1 and the EFAFLEX Professional Door Controller with a predefined input-output control interface. All necessary signals are provided to enable simple and quick integration of the door into a higher level control system. The door controller is placed in a lockable steel cabinet with a main switch with an emergency stop function. The membrane touchpad for operating and programming the control unit is located on the inside of the control box door. This effectively prevents manipulation or unauthorized interventions to the control unit. The Security 1 package includes mechanical locking of the door leaf using a lockable lever on the frame. If the door leaf is in the closed position and the locking lever is operated, the door meets the burglary resistance class RC2 according to DIN TS 18194 from 2020. The Security 2 package includes the EFAFLEX professional door controller in a steel cabinet and also an automatic locking system for the door leaf. As soon as the door has reached the bottom end position, so that it is completely closed, a locking bolt is inserted via an electromagnetic device. In order to ensure the RC2 burglar resistance, there is no need to pull a lever, which is often forgotten, but the door is automatically locked every time it is closed. These two packages also include a reed contact on the door for the connection to an on-site alarm system. Depending on customer requirements, these sensors either work with direct current line technology or are designed for digital integration into a local security network. Both versions are available with VDS Class B or Class C certification. In addition to the packages, there are many other optional features to adapt the door to a specific installation situation. Sometimes the installation situation requires that the side frames have to be longer than the door leaf. A classic example of this is when a conveyor system, for example a roller conveyor, runs through a door. In this case, the side frames can be ordered with an extension of even up to 2.5 meters. Different heights on the left and right are also possible if, for example, the door is to be installed across a ramp or sloping roadway. If the floor is set lower, that means lower than the installation level of the frames, the door leaf can also be extended downwards for up to 400 millimeters. Depending on whether there is wind load on the door, this can be done using a flexible or a rigid extension. With a rigid extension, from a height of 110 millimeters, additional rollers are attached to the sides to absorb the wind loads. This means that there are no restrictions on the resistance to wind loads. If space is limited at the installation site, it is sometimes difficult to find a suitable position for the control cabinet. A control system integrated into the door system is a clever solution. A separate control cabinet which has to be placed somewhere next to the door is no longer necessary. In this case, the control system is located at the top, inside the spiral console behind the cover, and a control panel with a display is integrated into the side frame. The door comes already pre-wired with the control system and the control panel, which saves valuable time at the installation site. This display shows the same information as the display on the control unit. The programming and operation of the door can be carried out conveniently and without restrictions using this control panel. The EFAFLEX control unit offers a variety of options for controlling and securing the door. We will present this in our next video. Of course, a network connection is also possible. The tailor-made equipment packages and the wide range of accessories make the next generation spiral doors the ideal solution for almost every application. In addition, there's the option of adapting the appearance of the door system to the customer's architectural or design wishes by using individual color schemes or combining different panel types. EFAFLEX does not just offer doors, but complete solutions. And now, back to Rebecca.
Thank you for joining the EFAFLEX Sales Academy today. I hope you tune in next time for more information about high-speed doors. And don't forget, follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn.